are back with another plan with me, and this week we're going to be using one of my kits called Falling for Fall. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this kit, I will have a link to my Etsy shop below. And this kit is just inspired by all things fall. It's inspired by fall fashion, fall activities, fall treats, all kinds of things like that. And fall is one of my most favorite times of year. Maybe I'm biased because I was born in fall, but I just love the weather so much, and especially coming off of an exceptionally hot summer, I am so glad that it is now starting to really feel like fall. Especially where I live, we tend to kind of have like several false falls. And even though I'm recording the voiceover for this several weeks after this actual Plan With Me week, it is actually starting to feel like fall, and I'm so happy. So one thing I was really kind of sad that I didn't really prioritize this year was doing any like fall activities. And honestly, I just haven't really made time to do a lot of those kind of seasonal things lately. So I was kind of really hoping I would make that happen this year, but it just didn't, unfortunately. But I remember in the past, especially when my boyfriend and I first got together several years back, we did so many fun fall things. That first fall we were together, we ended up going to like a pumpkin patch and we carved our pumpkins together, and we even went to a corn maze in our area, and it was such a fun time because we actually did the haunted corn maze, and it was definitely a really funny and memorable time for all of us when we went, and it was just a really good time. So I was really hoping I would get back into doing like really fun fall things this year, but I just didn't make it happen. But I'm definitely wanting to try harder next year and really going to like make an effort to find those fun fall things to do, and pumpkin patches and hay rides and all that kind of fun stuff, and even making really delicious fall snacks as well. Hopefully I will make that happen next year. So as I am filming this, you guys are going to see this the next day. It is November 1st right now, and just coming off of Halloween last night, and I don't really do much for Halloween these days. Sometimes I'll pass out candy, and sometimes I'll just hang out with friends if they're in town. But this year I actually hung out with my mom and my best friend's family, and we had a blast. We just had some really good food, and we just sat around and talked for hours and just kind of catching up with them, and it was a really, really fun time. And I did dress up for Halloween. I always have the intention to dress up in costumes and things like that because I just love doing it, but my self-conscious side always tends to keep me from wearing the costumes. But I actually dressed up this time, and I was Glinda from Wicked, and my mom was a good sport and she dressed up as Elphaba with me. It was very kind of a almost like a Disney bounding-esque style of costume because it was very last moment, just kind of like getting together and doing like a really small little family friend gathering and having good food and dressing up in costumes. And so I ended up going as Glinda. My mom went as Elphaba. We didn't do the green face paint or anything like that. Just did not have the time and the effort. And honestly, it was just such a small get together anyway. We just did the simple, I had a pink dress, she had a green dress, and we made it work, and it was very cute. I wish I would have taken some pictures, but unfortunately I forgot to. So unfortunately, I don't have those. But now we're at the time of the year where I feel like everything just flies by now that we're past Halloween. Really, I've always felt like the last 6 months of the year tend to just go by in a blink. I've always felt that for some reason. The first 6 months of the year seem to just drone on and go so slow. I don't know if anyone else feels like that, but whenever we hit like Labor Day, I feel like we are in hyperspeed as far as the end of the year coming. So I'm really trying to just like take in the time and not let it just pass me by, because I get so caught up in work and all my side projects and all my side businesses, my YouTube, my sticker shop, my soap shop, my in-person soap shop, Just so many things that keep me very, very busy that sometimes I just blink and it's like 3 weeks have gone by and all I have done is just work, make videos, make soaps, and just so many things that are taking up a lot of my time these days. And one thing with this fall season, I just really did not get into decorating for Halloween this year, which is very unlike me because I love Halloween so, so much. And I just didn't make it happen this year. So I think I'm really going to go big on Christmas this year. I am one of those people that tend to put my Christmas tree up very early in November because I just love looking at my Christmas trees. So just having it last in December is not enough for me. So I will probably start putting my Christmas tree up maybe next week just because I'm ready to get into designing it and making it all pretty and getting my house all cleaned up and organized, because that is always an ever-present chore that no matter how much time I feel like I have spent cleaning up my house, it seems like it never amounts for anything. So that's another thing I really want to do, is just get my house back in order for the holidays, have everything looking nice and clean and organized and neat and tidy. So that is definitely going to be one of my goals for the next few weeks, is to really work on that, because clutter is just something that has kind of taken over my house at the moment, and it's just time to organize and declutter and get rid of things that I don't care about anymore and stop bringing in so much new stuff, which I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am a shopaholic, so that is one of the ever-present challenges that I am facing, but hopefully that is something that I will be able to start doing. And I have decided that for my Christmas tree theme this year, I usually for the last several years have just gone with like really feminine, girly, pink, kind of coquette even type of style of Christmas tree. But this year I almost really want to just do like a Wicked themed Christmas tree. So that is really what I'm going to do this year, and I've already got so many things that I think could make really cute little decorations, and maybe I'll even do some DIY videos for that. But then I always have the best lofty ideas and I never make them happen. So if I do end up making the whole Wicked Christmas tree come together, I will probably do some sort of content for it. If not, I'll just take some pictures and maybe post them on my Instagrams. But I definitely think I'm going to have a lot of fun with decorating for Christmas this year, especially, like I said, since I didn't really do much for the other holidays and I'm just ready for beautiful Christmas time. But I hope you guys haven't gotten too tired of the Wicked content lately that I've been posting, because I do have several more videos coming up, a lot of really fun things. So hopefully you guys are enjoying those. I think you guys are. Earlier this week I posted my Wicked Advent calendar, and I posted that I think 2 days ago while I'm recording this, and that video already has over 1,000 views. That's probably the quickest I've ever gotten 1,000 views on a video, so I am definitely loving the Wicked content, and I think a lot of you guys are too, so definitely stay tuned because there are some more videos coming and I'm just really excited. And I know some people kind of get tired of the Wicked stuff, but I absolutely love it, and I am totally just living in the moment right now with all of my Wicked content. So with that being said, I guess that is the end of this plan with me. This is how the spread turned out. So once again, if you would like to purchase this kit for either this year if you're behind like I am, or maybe for next year, then definitely check out the link below to my Etsy shop, and this one is called Falling for Fall. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.